blessings. I came to see you today. This is the 167th drop of the living water, and today is June 16th. Are you excited about this new life on new earth? With new people, with actually the renewed people after the vacation, with the Holy Lord God on His holy mountain? Peace and harmony. Human beings and all the living beings, animals, they live together with love, peace and harmony. So we learned all these things up to now. For the whole half month of June, we learned that. And before that we learned the vacation period. The vacation in heaven, 1,000 years. So before that we learned what are our responsibilities to get into the vacation, to go there for the vacation. What should we do? We learned all these things months and months, step by step. So here, again I want to remind these things. Why? By now, we already know how amazing, how fantastic world it is. So that's why we can't wait to go there. So that's not all. In order to get into the new world, we need to be renewed. And our part, all these things, that peace and harmony, love and no bloodshed, no harm, no hurting, no killing, all these things by the Lord God. That is His job, that is His responsibility. But we also have to complete our part. Remember, always 50-50. We need to complete our part, then only we can claim for His part. No need to claim actually. Remember, before they pray, the Lord God answers them. That is the new world. So, but in order to get all these things done, we must complete our part. Right? See, David is writing this song. Why? Because he got the revelation. He got the revelation from the Lord God and he write it like a poem. Let's read that. Psalm chapter 15. Verse 1. Let me read verse 1. This is what he says. O Lord, who may abide in thy tent? Who is going to live in your tent? In simple words. And he says, who may dwell in thy holy hill? Who is going to get into that your holy mountain? The life on the new mountain, the holy mountain. It is supernatural, actually supernatural. But he asking, who are going to go there? Don't say human beings. Yes, human beings, you and I, but what type of a people? So what should we need to get done? So what are our responsibilities? Those are the things that the Lord God revealed to David. And he recorded all these things like a poem. So from today onwards, let's take a couple of days and let's study together. What should you do? What are the things that I need to add into my life? And also what are the things that get rid of? So need to be purified. It should be started from here on this earth. If anyone wants to go for vacation and go to the new world, these things are must. What do you think? Is anything coming to your mind? If anything comes to your mind, comment underneath. So we'll discuss all these things from today on, tomorrow onwards actually, step by step. And let's try our best to complete. That is the ultimate goal of all this studying. We must complete our part. Then only we can get there. Get into the vacation, get into heaven and then to the new world. So that is the ultimate goal. So if you have any idea, comment underneath and be ready for tomorrow onwards. Let's learn all these things. In Jesus' mighty name I pray that Lord God will guide you and bless you.